Firstly, thanks for your support for your Ask Electric Vehicles episodes, and you're asking some of the wonderful questions. And we have reached our 10th episode in this Ask Electric Vehicles. And in this video, I'll answer some of the subscribers' questions. And we have already started our WhatsApp number and also our Telegram group. And if you want to share electric vehicle updates in your local updates, especially anything happened about electric vehicles in your locality, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups and share the information. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, and the first question is asked by Mr. Ram Brijesh Yadav. Can all EV scooters will same battery concept, like now petrol bike we can use Amron or Exide, Luminous, etc., like, or same structured batteries? See, the structure of the batteries cannot be same in all the electric vehicles. It's based on the electric scooter or electric bike, electric three-wheeler or an electric car design. For example, the Ola electric scooter and the Ather electric scooter, and it based on the design where they're keeping the battery. Are they keeping the battery at the footboard space, or some electric scooter they're keeping the battery at the back side of the vehicle, and also the battery capacity. For example, if they are providing 2 kWh battery pack and they are providing 4 kWh battery pack, again the size of the battery will be varies. So it purely depends on the vehicle and the battery capacity, and that's how the standardization, especially the size of the battery or the structure of the battery, cannot be same in all the electric vehicles. That's the answer for your question. The next question is asked by Mr. Sangeet Kumar. Saw a video about Simple One saying it's fake, no consistency in their declared specification, and also the prototype they shown was that of Ather modified. Now confused of what is true. See, the thing is, they are actually developing an electric scooter, it is true, but they are lagging on one particular thing. It's about the investment. If Simple Energy is able to get the investment, definitely they are able to mass produce these vehicles. Right now they are in the phase of funding. That is one of the main reasons they are unable to announce a launch date, and that is what we are thinking because of the funding part. The vehicle part they are developed, the only thing is the investment part. So that's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Mr. Praveen Kumar. Is it better to purchase electric vehicle scooter in 66,000 like Ampere Magnus Pro beside Ola in 1 lakh, considering the fact it is easy to change new 1 kilowatt battery from the money we save, and at the same time the 4 kilowatt we have to spend a huge amount even after 5 to 7 years. What is the future of EV after 15 years by RTO, I mean the return of investment? And definitely it's a good question and also interesting one. See, if you have money 66,000 rupees, and if you think Ampere vehicle or any electric vehicle available in the 66,000 rupees, if you are satisfied with the performance or the specifications offered, definitely you can go for it. It is not a mandate that you need to go for Ola or for 1 lakh rupees, because you said right, after 4 years definitely you need to spend big amount of money for the battery change. So it's a good option that if you have any electric vehicle in a particular price range, go with an electric vehicle, test ride the vehicle. If they are offering good service, go for the electric vehicle. And also for 1 lakh pricing, definitely Ola is a good option. And the next question is asked by Mr. Srinivasan Prasanna. Is referring to the video where we mentioned the regenerative braking also affect the life cycles of the battery pack. If I am braking vehicle with regenerative braking 50 times in a ride, the battery life cycle reduced by 50 cycles. See, one thing I will just clarify you. 100%, if you did 100% charge, it is considered as one life cycle, right? See, the regenerative braking energy is very less. For example, for 100%, the regenerative braking, for example, if you are braking, the energy is very less. For example, 0.05% like that. So how many times you need to brake to hit that 100%, right? You need to brake for at least like 200 times or 300 times, even more than that. So it will not affect 50 life cycles because you are not generating that much of energy with your braking. So the braking energy is very less and it will not affect that kind of 50 life cycles. Just take for an example, at least 300 to 500 time braking, maybe that will affect one life cycle. Not like every time you brake, it will not affect one life cycle. That's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Mr. Sanket. Lithium ion battery versus lithium phosphate, which is better to buy? And we will make a separate video for that because it requires some explanation in it. So we will do a separate video for that, and that's the answer for the question. And the next question is asked by Mr. Shivaraj M, I have one doubt. If I buy a electric scooter, the FAME 2 subsidy will apply. What if I buy a car? Does the subsidy will apply? Is it applicable irrespective of two-wheeler or four-wheeler vehicles? Can you please give a clarification? Definitely, FAME 2 scheme is applicable on electric two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers as well. And you don't need to worry about it. You can buy a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. The next question is asked by Mr. Hasar. Does Simple One offer service at home like Ola? So far, they didn't mention about the home service. They mentioned they will have a dealership network. That's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Sneha Print Service. He is asking like if I ride an electric vehicle with 200 kilograms of load, how many kilometers can run this electric scooter? See, it depends on the battery and what the company mentioned their load capacity, that is one thing, and also the battery age. What is the battery capacity? And moreover, if you are using more weight, definitely it will impact the range. For example, if it is 100 kilometers of range, what they offered, and if you are using double load, definitely you will get around 50 kilometers of range. So it will definitely affect the battery life, and the range is also dependent on the load. So that's the answer for your question. And the next question is asked by Master Tech 360. I will drive around 15 kilometers a day. So can I get a guaranteed of 5-year battery life? And the similar question is asked by Umar Sharif. Hero electric battery, it will come for 10 years with rare use if you charge a battery twice a week. Every time we mentioned, always use quality batteries. See there is in market, a 1 kilowatt hour battery pack is available in 15,000 rupees and the same battery is available in 25,000 rupees. Whatever the viewers are expecting that 5 years or the 10 years of warranty, it is only possible if the company use some good quality cells. That is the reason we always insist and mention about high quality battery prices. So you will get 5 years of life or 10 years of life if the company use some good quality cells. Irrespective of any company, not just because of a X manufacturer having good reputation doesn't mean it will offer some good battery life. If they use quality cells or A grade cells, definitely you will get 5 years of 10 years of lifetime. That's the answer for your question. So these are some of the answers for subscribers' questions. And if you have any doubts about electric vehicles, please do ask them in the comment section below. And we will answer in the next Ask Electric Vehicles episode. Any interested viewers can join in our Telegram and WhatsApp group, can share electric vehicle updates to us. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do follow our Facebook page and website. Go green, go electric.